My video guide is about getting rid of these scary pop-up alerts that come from the site mycleancomputer.net. Mycleancomputer.net is a deceptive website that may display pretty scary and faulty information. It may tell you that your computer is infected by some malware after surfing the web, and then it tells you to download some cleaner supposedly to get it fixed. The problem is that this sort of cleaner is considered to be the potentially unwanted application because it is spread through such scary pop-ups which are not decent, and therefore, because of that, such programs are fairly classified as potentially unwanted applications. And this website, mycleancomputer.net, is absolutely faulty and deceptive, so don't trust it. These pop-ups in your system may be the result of some adware in your computer. So first thing I recommend you to do is to carefully check the control panel and uninstall any programs which are suspicious. To make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your computer to identify and delete all other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.